Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan and you are watching FineGap YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to teach you what is memorization technique in JavaScript. So memorization is an optimization technique that store caches the result of a function call so that if the same input occurs again, the function return the cached result instead of recalculating it. So let's see this example. We are calling this slow scare function 2 times. As we know, each time its result is gonna same if we will pass 5. So why we redo its calculation again and again? Because in real world, it can be an expensive calculation which can create performance issues. So here memorization comes in. Let's see to this example of memorization. We are declaring a function memorized square and this function is returning another function which we store in this square variable. So whenever we are calling a function here named memorize square, it create a cached variable and return this function. Now first time when we will call square, first it will check either the 5 parameters value is existed in our cache variable or not. If yes, it will return it from cache without doing any calculation. If not, it will perform that calculation and return the result. And you can see that it is also storing our result in the cache. So with the help of this technique, we can avoid our functions to perform the same calculation again and again. Hit the like button if video was helpful. And finally, thanks for watching.